Feel the magic under Keely's light. Hook in hand, we're gonna start today. Hook in love will show the way.
For today's tutorial, we are looking at making a US double treble, which is the equivalent of the UK triple treble. It's very similar to making a double. It's just what changes is the and when I'm saying double, I mean in the US double or UK treble. It's the difference is the number of wraps that you make around the hook before you start. So I've just got a chain, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap round 3 times. So most of you will have seen the stitch where you've wrapped around the once. You may occasionally have done the 2, but this time we're doing 3. On my chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going into my 5th chain from the hook. If you are following this video tutorial because you've come from the Wool Warehouse plaited shoulder bag pattern, you will be chaining as part of the pattern and then making this stitch and then making another chain and then making the stitch to make the loops for the handbag. If you're not, then this is exactly what we're doing. So we've gone into the chain space for this. I am drawing a loop up, and at this point now I have 5 loops on my hook. And then what I'm going to do is just the same as I would do if it was a US double or a UK treble, and that was I'd draw through 2. But I will keep on drawing two until I finish. So yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and it gives me this lovely long stitch. Let's do that again. Wrap round 3 times, go into the next chain for this one, draw a loop up. Again, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on my hook, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and yarn over through 2. And you would repeat that for every one of these that you needed to make. I'll just do one more and then we'll see the height of those stitches. So can you see how it gives you a really lovely tall stitch? So that is the US double treble, UK triple treble.